Like as soon as she sees me, she feels like she needs to come. No one told you to drink so much last night. Someone drank a little bit too much and now he's feeling sick. Don't worry, Nisha to the rescue. Is that serious? Is that serious? Yuck. To make some boiled dumpling.
I have to put salt now. It's like how salt in pottery. You couldn't tell me.
When we're cooking, because it just makes me more hungry.
What?
Just watching that. And you still gotta put that in?
Just that I do. Yeah, okay, just act up now. Alright, come in here work today.
I'm not doing the dishes.
It's on the dish, yeah.
What's on the agenda today? What are we doing today? Work life. Gotta go order some goods. That is what's on the agenda today. And then it's freaking hot.
Watch. Come here.
What?
Just this, yeah. You do. Nothing more.
Why whenever I cook, I do the dishes on my own. Whenever you cook, you want me to do the dishes?
You can't cook it, see you. Come here.
Well, I guess I gotta go do the dishes. The fun part of cooking. What are we gonna do today?
Are you in the plan too?
I'm not doing this.
You cook or what? You cook? Alright, buy fish them I escovitch. Just escovitch them for you.
So ever since me and Ziggy been cooking, his
Yeah,
mom,
and that's a going for you.
his mom doesn't want to cook anymore. She said how we're supposed to cook for the rest of the week. And we missed the day yesterday, so...
Probably start cook a real thing, man. Probably start cook it, you know, and cook again. Alright.
So right now we're on the road to get some steamed fish.
Oh, you could go get steamed fish, you get fish.
I mean, we're getting fish to go steam. Ziggy Bear is cooking steamed fish.
Me I cook already too, yeah.
Sorry, okay, we're both cooking.
Yeah.
But we're both cooking today.
What is this, eh?
Nothing.
Yo, which one?
So I'm kind of like sick right now, so I actually hate how I sound. What? Oh my gosh. Okay. So what are we having with the steamed fish? Let's make like food, like banana dumpling.
Yeah, cook a dumpling them now. Yeah. Alright, me look about the whole entire fish. And you cook dumpling and some. Yo, McG. Wait, man.
Yo, when people go on video here, they get so excited.
Yo, dog. Come on. Eh?
Can you change that ringtone?
Hello. What are you doing?
Yo, when they go on video, they either get super shy and want to run away, or they just don't want to be on it. But anyways, as I was saying, we're getting fish. What kind of fish are we getting? Snapper?
Yeah, that massive.
Not like the small ones we got last time. Those are too small though.
We didn't get fish last time.
When I made the steamed fish in the foil paper. What kind of fish was that? Remember they were like baby fish?
They're red?
Yeah.
Oh.
They were too small. I don't like them. You can, like, if the fish is too small, it's not the same. I like when they're big.
And let me go pick up this one next time.
The flyers?
And the car posters on it.
Yeah. Where does he live?
Alright, this is next one.
It's like raining outside right now. So gloomy. He's gonna go pick up his flyers for his party because he's having a party. His birthday's coming up and he's doing like a big party. So it's next month, like at the end of next month. So he has to go get flyers to hand them out, and some of the flyers are going on people's cars to other parties. We're gonna hand out some of them, just basically to promote the party. So that's what he's doing right now. And then we don't really have anything planned today. I'm like kind of sick because yesterday we went to Blue Hole in Ochi. It was freaking beautiful. Like when I say the river was just beautiful, it was just blue and it was just so beautiful. We jumped off like cliffs. We were swinging on ropes like monkeys. It was so fun. We jumped off a cliff that was like 11 feet high. One was like 18 feet. It was scary, but it was really fun. If you go to Jamaica, I'm telling you, a place you need to go to is Blue Hole. It's in Ochi Rios. It's amazing. It's a beautiful, amazing experience. Trust me. Thumbs up. But yeah, we don't have anything planned today. It's raining. It's been raining since morning. No, I lied. It wasn't raining this morning. But I woke up really stuffy and sick. But it's raining right now. So there's not much to really do. Other than to go check up on the work, see what's going on there, and then yeah, that's it. So these are vinyl
yellow, red, blue
stickers for the party. Smokey! I didn't even see him. What's up, brother? The big question is he Bay or fam? Are you Bay or fam? I don't know either.
Oh, no.
I don't know, is he Bay or fam? Like, I don't know. Yes, y'all.
What do you think?
What do you guys think? Is he Bay or fam? Say it down below, Bay or fam? Team Bay or fam? Do we look good together? Or do we look related? Which one? If you're wondering why we don't have our seatbelts on, it's because we're in the town. Like, we're legit just 5 minutes from the house, so yeah, I don't really have to put on seatbelt right now. But
She look
yeah,
better than Beyonce.
are you excited for your party?
First.
Wow, you actually admit it.
Me can't wait to know.
You actually
Right
admit
now,
it.
me can't wait to know. I'm just feel it, isn't it?
Nice. From the workplace. Say hi, Sash.
Hi.
How was school?
Fine.
You're good?
Yeah.
So that's Sasha again. She loves the video. Watch her peeping. How was your day at school, baby girl?
Sophia.
It was good?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Are you gonna dance for them later? She can dance. You gonna dance for them?
So much money out of it.
2, 3. Yang kau pass me?
On her back.
Yeah.
You think you can carry me?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my god, you're so strong. She's just so sweet. Keisha's gonna get jealous.
Why?
Because I'm kissing you up. Because usually I do this to her.
You want one?
You're giving the subscribers one? Give them one. So what?
How much for them? 100.
So get one. They look well hot.
Up out on. Man, just 100.
That's it. Chilla.
Courtney! Why are you running? Me? This is pepper shrimp. Can you show me one?
Wait, there's something you want?
I said, can you show me one? Oh, whoa. That's the thing, I never know how to eat these things. So this is pepper shrimp. It looks so scary. It looks like a crab, like a baby crab. The pepper got you? Pepper got you. What? You said it wasn't pepper. You know, every time I come down here, I've never actually ate one of these shrimps, you know? They just kind of look, whoa, scary looking.
Sorry, you are.
Like in Canada, we have shrimps like this, but it's like the baby ones. They don't look like. What are we doing? What are we doing?
See there. Tire punch.
So maybe it's this thing. Maybe it's something on your rim.
Yeah. So name me have to go fix.
Hi. My name is Sasha
Take
Gay.
the car, yeah.
And she is Nisha's video.
You wanna introduce your friend?
Who is she? JD and Chilla.
So these are my two little friends right here.
Uncle, come here, tell us shopping center, please.
Go do what? Put the ear by you.
Yeah.
Princess,
Hi.
have you took picture of me now?
Yeah, YouTube.
Yeah, go by YouTube.
Yeah.
You can't say something, man. You know people them over foreign. Yeah, man. Some brown skin and something and thing.
Complain, but they don't never want to know me the glass of me.
Yeah.
Me I tell you, say princess, I know easy, you know, tight.
You can circle, is it?
Yeah,
Bye.
Yeah. Stammer.
Oh, stop.
Hi, my boss.
We're gonna get food, but I can't make up my mind on what I want. Right now I'm having like McDonald's withdrawal, pizza withdrawal. Like asked him earlier, I'm just like, can we order food? If you want KFC or anything, you gotta like drive out.
Drive again.
Yeah.
There's no art. Actually, you can order it now, but you have to in an area.
Oh.
Yeah. So like if you drive come all the way here, so.
Okay,
But most of them I go drop off some of my posters now.
right now?
Cousin, yeah.
Yeah, we're going to a party later called High Rollers Ripped Jeans Edition. It's like 7:30 at night.
Yes.
Still raining, like it legit rained all. No, it's not raining right now, I lied. But the weather is just so
What's it? I still get
blah.
ice cream. Or no?
we got the car to go in the store.